Hello, dear aquarists. I hope today to present you another case on fish diseases. And today it will be on a special rainbow fish. Maybe you know the one I'm talking about. It's the Celebes rainbow. Used to be called Telmatherina. Now it's called Marosatherina ladigesi with a bacterial infection. Well, bacterial infections, in this case number 42, it's not always easy to detect. The first thing we noticed when we observed the fish, that they were showing darkening in color. Some are getting skinnier, separating from the group, less eating, and some were eventually dying. For the rest, we couldn't see anything as an obvious sign of disease. Here is another view on another tank of those fish. You see some of the back are getting darker, you can see not growing faster, slowly wasting away. And we could observe in this tank a few deaths every week. And the fish were slowly wasting away. It was the major sign we could determine in this case. When we took a skin scraping, as you can see here in the video, you can see the massive colonies of bacteria. Here you can see it on the Vivian moving around, and it's like a black smear that's in the slime or next to the scales of the fish. So this is a massive quantity which normally should not be observed in the slime of skin scraping. In some parts of that skin scraping, we also find some colonies. So the black collection of small moving darkening dots, which is a massive amount of bacteria. Also internally, we observed several types of bacteria. You see the steak type, rod type bacteria, you see the spotted ones. So it is a massive amount of bacteria we found in the internal abdominal cavity. So in totally, what we conclude on this fish, on the observations we did, that we found externally and internally bacterial infections. And the fish were weakened, and maybe the weakening could have been caused by the shipping or a bad feeding practice or other stress factors that the secondary infection was this bacterial infection. But up to you to find out. If you have to look at the history of the fish. Of course, the first thing you have to do is check the water quality and the food quality you give to the fish. Avoid overcrowding and add an antibacterial treatment, which can be different types of antibiotics or other treatments you have available. Ask at your pet shop. We also recommend to feed your fish in this incidence, in this case of disease, with our Dr. Bassleer Biofish Food Fuco. You can also use our grapefruit seed extract or our professional treat, and those all will help your fish for a faster repair and a better way to develop an immune system. So this was the case on the Celebes rainbow fish, and I hope this helped you to decide that the way you can take care of your fish is by microscopic observation. Thank you for listening, and keep up the good work of your fish care. Bye-bye.